What was your question? How much do I bench press now? Oh yeah. Okay. Right now I have a 2-rep max, which used to be my 1-rep max. My 2-rep max is 135 pounds, which is what? What's that in kg? 61 kilograms, which means that my predicted 1-rep max would be 139. So at some point, it's gonna go up to 140. And I'm very excited about it. If you guys wanna use this, I love this calculator. This is something that Boopaloop shared with me. This is the EXRX 1-rep max calculator. So if you aren't quite ready to do a 1-rep max test because high risk of injury, when you get closer to how much can you possibly lift in one go, there's a higher risk of injury. So you can kind of get an estimate though of your 1-rep max. If you wanna do something like a 3-rep max test, where you use a lighter weight and you try to find what weight it is that you can do the most for 3 reps, up to 5. The higher the number of reps that you plug in to a calculator like this, the less accurate it's going to be. So you want to stick with a 3-rep max or up to 5, I say. I say up to 5, because past that point it becomes just not as accurate. But I like to use that when I pushed myself and I got 2 reps out of my previous 1-rep max, but I'm not gonna go ahead and just test my 1-rep maxes again, but I can get a little estimate of what my 1-rep max would be. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more trainer tips and exercise tutorials.